current COVID-19 epidemic, we are facing higher demand of health product. So today we are going to discuss about infrared thermometer. If you are new in my channel, make sure you subscribe to support my contents. Infrared thermometer calculate body temperature from a distance instantly. It's also called as non-contact thermometer or temperature gun. It has a sensor, display, buttons and battery cells.
A Lair digital infrared thermometer costs about $27.44 and can measure body temperature multifunctional, can measure air, forehead, room, milk, water, and object temperature. It has features like audio and visual fever warning. Quick one's measurement, less than 1 second and accurate reliable. Patent technology to realize separate measurement of both adult and child. Reliable. Each thermometer will do environmental test under 15 to 35 degrees centigrade during production. Multifunctional, can measure air, forehead, room, milk, water and object temperature. 40 sets of memories, easy to recall. With the Lair get $3 off using THEREMETER1 coupon code.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so.
COFO Baby Thermometer Infrared Digital Thermometer. The principle of the non-contact thermometer is to use the probe to detect the infrared temperature of the human body. Just 1 second will show the temperature.
Advantages 1. Germany precision probes, accuracy plus or minus 0.2.2. Just 1 second can measure out the body. 3. 3 color to infra the temperature green, normal orange, slight fever red, high. 4. 2 model body temperature object model water milk food temperature and so. 5. Avoid touch skin convenient measure babies. 6. Storage 50 set. 7. Automatic turn. Advantages in China, COFO is used in many places, such as government units, banks, subways, large supermarkets, restaurant, etc. At a press conference of the Joint Prevention and Control Mechanism of the State Council on February 16, Feng Luzhao, a researcher at the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention, said that if you want to use a forehead gun to measure the temperature of people who enter indoors from outside, or when taking a temperature measurement outdoors, good to measure the area covered by clothing, such as the wrist or neck, the reading will be more accurate.
Cassia wood to silver as I've seen, with mystery as a